Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to check pinned messages on Discord. First of all, let's have a look on how to check pinned messages on Discord desktop. For this purpose, I'm going to head over to the Study Japanese channel on my Linguaholic language learning server. Now to check pinned messages, all you need to do is click here in the top right corner on this pin symbol. And you will see all the messages that have been pinned to this channel. Now also let me quickly demonstrate how to check pinned messages on Discord Mobile. First of all, I'm simply going to open up the Discord Mobile app. And now I'm going to head over to the same channel as before, our Study Japanese channel. And now to check the pinned messages, what you have to do is to click on the channel name, in this case Study Japanese. And then you will see that we will also have our little pin symbol. Just click on that. And once again, you will see all the pinned messages. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe to Magitudes and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.